हेलो एवरीवन, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड एंड सेफ एट होम। तो आज के वीडियो में हम लोग कुछ मज़ेदार बात करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, हम लोग बात करने बारे में 90s के ज़माने के। ओके, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हु आर इन 25 एज ग्रुप ऑफ 24 टू 30 आर द और 32 are the people who are born in 90s. Okay, so I was telling about the people who are born in the 90s. Sometimes, whenever we memorize our 90s, we definitely feel good in ourselves, in our heart, because we are the people who are born in the 90s. Though our time, that is today's time, there is an hell and heaven difference. Though the today's time is more technologically driven, not that technology which was happening in 90s, but that 90s is memorized in our heart, in our mind as well. So why? What is the thing? Okay, today I will speak something about 90s, and my story will start from there. So let's go to my story and see about what is happening in 90s. So before that, if you are new in my channel, just subscribe and just put a bell icon on my channel. So let's go back to 90s and think about what exactly thing. So I was in fifth और sixth classes में था. Okay, so एक दिन क्या हुआ, तो I was sitting at home. Okay, I was sitting at home and somebody knock our door. I just went and opened the door to see if anyone come or something. So I see a postman with an envelope. तो उस ज़माने का टाइम था, हम लोग के पास ना मोबाइल्स था, ना टेलीफोन्स था, ना हमारे पास कुछ कम्युनिकेशन था। तो जो रिलेटिव्स हम लोग से दूर रहते थे, तो उनके पास से एक छोटी सी एनवलप जब आता था, छोटी सी चिट्ठी आ जाता था, तो हम लोग ईगरली वेट करते थे और हम लोग खोल देते थे क्या एग्जैक्टली है उस चिट्ठी में, क्या लिखा हुआ है। ठीक है, तो क्या है जो हमारे आगे इतना खुशी आने वाला है। ठीक है, तो मेरा एक अंकल है, व्हेन आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट माय अंकल मीन्स इज माय फादर्स ब्रदर। ठीक है, ही इज वर्किंग इन इंडियन एयरफोर्स। सो ही यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल, ही वाज रिसाइडिंग आउटसाइड एंड ही यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल a lot. Okay, so on every march of the year he used to come to our villages. Okay, because with his children and every time. So this was a funny time for all of us, because I was in school and I was thinking that that was very much funny time for me. Okay, so they are my cousins, so I used to play a lot of things. Okay, so what happened, so I just see the just envelope and see that my uncle's name, and he sent the envelope to us. Okay, so suddenly I'm eagerly waiting, and I just open the envelope and see that it is written like, the way their envelope was written at the time: respected brother, respected by. And I'm like, I hope you are doing good at home and safe at home, and everybody is good at home, and I am coming back on March. So by seeing all this, I was feeling very happy, because okay, my March will be good. Okay, my cousins are coming. Okay, I will be feeling very happy. I was feeling happy. Okay, तो ये चीज़ बात है उस ज़माने का, क्योंकि हम लोग अपने लिए को बहुत गर्वित होते थे, क्योंकि ना हमारे पास कम्युनिकेशन का कोई माध्यम था, ना हमारे पास कम्युनिकेशन का कोई थ्रू था, तो हम लोग बात कर सकते थे हमारे प्रियजनों से, हमारे रिलेटिव से। बट स्टिल वन लेटर इज एनफ टू मेक आवर फेस into a gloomy, or maybe the place into a happiest night. Okay, in a happiest way. So when I think that they are coming in the march and sing, so एक postman होता है, एक postman, or we can say in a post office, was a time, was a very much important. Okay, now the time is not that, because today we have a mobile, today we have a lot of things in ours, and we can send messages within the span of time. But that day what was not there. Okay, that does only the later is the only communications way which reach to the relatives. Okay, तो जो इंडियन पोस्टमैन होता था ना, जो पोस्टमैन होता था और जो पोस्ट ऑफिस होता था, was very much important at that time. Okay, so when you think about the post office, always think about the letters and everything, but that post office now is not be a post office, now become a post bank. Okay, Indian Post Payment Bank. Okay, you heard about this topic when 2014 our government, or our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji announced that payment bank will launch. Okay, so what exactly the payment bank? Today I'm going to speak something about the payment bank. Okay, so till if you want to know more about the payment bank, just stay still. And so Indian Post Payment Bank was started in 2000. It was come into I in 2014, but it started its operation 2018. Okay, 2018 it was started its operations. So the main motto regarding the Indian Post Payment Bank, what is the main motto? See, if you see my earlier video, I always tell about the importance of banking business. Bank want that people would not keep the money with the ideal. They want to deposit the money, and for that they will get an interest. Okay, they bank in terms of banking in the mind that people should have enough money with themselves, so that in case of emergency, in case of contingencies, they will not be feeling in worst part of their life. Okay, so that's the important thing. So banking always want that key to reach and every and each corner of the people. Okay, so if you think about a payment bank, the motto is behind the payment bank is that, okay, to reach an every corner of the world. So in banking terms it is called financial inclusion. So what is the meaning of financial inclusion? To reach the every and each corner of the India. As you know that 60% of the Indian population stays in rural areas. So it means that banking cannot reach all over the world. If you think of all the public sectors of the bank or private sector, most of the banks are in urban areas or semi-urban areas, okay, like the towns and all, but not reach to the people who are in a rural area. So most of the people keep their money ideal. They don't have a bank account with them. They don't have something that they can deposit and they can get interest. Okay, and they can put their money in a growth of their life. Okay, so Indian Payment Bank with the motto behind it, put the things in the mind that it will reach the every corner of the India. Okay, that's the reason behind the financial inclusion part. Okay, so it was 2014 it was started. Okay, 2014 was started, but 2014 started when the concept has started, but 2018 the full-fledged operation was started. Though 28 people or 28 industrials apply for that, but only 11 people got the license. Okay, apart from the 11 people, 3 people as surrender their license, only 8 payment bank exist. So if you think about the payment bank, I had told about Indian Post Payment Bank, one of the member. It is the government payment bank, okay, full-fledged operated by the government. Okay, then we have also another payment bank, Airtel Payment Bank. You know about Airtel. You know about one in Paytm where you scratch the money. Today's days Paytm is like widespread, right? Wherever whichever shops you go, you just scratch the Paytms and just pay the money. So that Paytm also have a payment bank. Okay, so what is the importance of a payment bank? What is the thing of a payment bank? So the reason behind payment bank is not the keeping the money ideal. So people will deposit their money, okay, to the bank. Okay, for that they will take an interest. Apart from that, they will get the regular banking facilities. Okay, the banking facilities, they will get ATM, they will get fund transfer through RTGS, NEFT, IMPS. They can do fund transfer. They got internet banking. They got they will get the passbook, lot of things. Okay, so that it will be helpful for them to not keep the money ideal, to put the money into the bank. Okay, so that bank can take the money and utilize for their purpose. Bank can take the money and utilize for his own growth. Okay, that is the importance of the thing. So मैं जब Indian Post की बारे में बात कर रहा था, तो Indian Post has enveloped or developed itself into Indian Post Payment Bank. Okay, so the one motto of Indian Post Payment Bank to provide the deposits and with a good amount of interest, so that people can do. But one of the thing that Indian Payment Bank, okay, that it cannot lend loans. Okay, it can only affect the deposits, and it can fund transfer. It can do you can use the payment bank for the purpose of investment. I will tell about PM's definitely Pradhan Mantri Pension Yojana, Pradhan Mantri there are different yojana by the Pradhan Mantri. You can invest in and you can for a long term and the purpose. Okay, so what is the characteristic, what is the concept? I will tell that payment bank only accept the maximum of 1 lakh deposits. Okay, if you think about the payment bank, it will only accept the 1 lakh of deposits. Okay, it will provide the only the saving and current account, which is called CASA. Current account is saving account deposits. Okay, not term deposits. Okay, that is the only thing. The reason behind is because the government want the payment months to grow. As soon as that is grow, it will helpful for them to increase the number of deposits. For term deposits are providing the loan facility as well. But nowadays only the saving and CASA deposits are there, and the fund transfer. Okay, apart from that, it will provide the ATM, it will provide the passbook, it will provide the internet banking facilities. It is also there. Okay, so you can open a payment account. So people in the rural areas, they don't have facilities, they can then so government think that the person who the agency or the people who are going to open a payment bank, okay, the industrialists or the there must be a 25% of payment bank, 25% of out of total must be in unbanked rural areas. The rural areas where the banking facilities is not there, 25% is compulsory that the banking facility will be there. Okay, it is not like every time you have to put in semi-urban or urban areas. Okay, that is the main motto behind the payment bank. Let's go back and what is the problem happening now in payment bank. If you see about now, the problem is that payment bank, whether it take the deposits from public, but the main motto of a bank is to to earn money through its loans, which payment bank doesn't have. So where the characteristics of a payment bank doesn't show that it can provide the loans to the public. Okay, so where it is got the money, where it is provide the money as an interest to the public, it is maybe the for the investment that you do, for investment that you do from the pension yojana, that a lot of thing or that the thing. So as you think that the main motto is that keep whatever the deposits that payment bank take, it will keep something as a CRR. I told you about the CRR, like it is helpful for the contingency purpose. CRR means the money which is kept by the bank into the RBI. Okay, the payment bank has to 25% has to keep the deposits in RBI. Okay, the rest of money it will be invested around 25-30% in interbank in a different banking. Okay, with the public sector bank it can keep the deposits. So from there it can get an interest from that, or from the CRR also. If you see something in the government, if the government issue some GSEC, government securities, and it is provide that money to the investment bank, invest that money in the government securities, it is also getting the interest from it. Okay, that is the main motto of earning from an investment. Not only going to give the loan facility. Okay, because as you know that government will provide the GSEC or government security to get the money from the market. Okay, so that is a two thing that it is the earning for the payment bank. So it is very less earning for a payment bank. That's why the only problem the payment bank are suffering nowadays. Okay, because unless until it has a good amount of earnings, it will not grow further. So there is a problem in growing of payments bank nowadays. Okay, so people in rural areas, nothing doesn't know about, they don't think about they're investing their money, and they don't think to deposit the money in a payment bank. Okay, so this video with all the people will definitely helpful for you, that to at least to keep your deposit in the payment bank in order to provide the interest, to grow your money for the future. Okay, that is really very helpful and essential for a payment bank, Indian Post Payment Bank. Okay, so as you know, there is different payment banks as where if you say about the Airtel also, if you think about Vodafone has M-Pesa, it is a payment bank. So it will provide the facility to deposit money. You can deposit money through online as well. Okay, and it will also have I say about Paytm, PayPal. It's also a payment bank. Paytm also a wallet facility which we are using. Everyone is using for the purpose, but also has a payment bank. Okay, where you can deposit money to get the interest. So I hope this video is helpful for the people, definitely to invest money in the payment bank as well and grow the economy, because unless until you keep your money in a bank, the economy cannot grow. Okay, you have to think about that in the prospect. The Indian Payment Bank, it's a mode of deposits. It provide the facility to take your deposits and invest in different part and provide you the interest. Okay, so I hope you understand something from the topic and try to invest in an Indian payment bank or whatever you feel, IPPB or Pay or what are the other private banks there, private payment bank. Okay, so that's all about my video. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching it.